Welcome to our channel. Today we how to upgrade your productivity with Trello, beginner guide step by step clearly. Start by creating a Trello account if you don't have one. Visit the Trello website or download the app from your device's app store. Once you're on the site, click on the sign up button. Enter your email address and create a password, or use a Google account to sign in. After signing in, you'll see a welcome page with the option to create a new board. Click on Create New Board to get started. Choose a name for your board that reflects your project or purpose. Select a background color or image that inspires you. Once your board is created, familiarize yourself with the layout. You'll notice three main sections: lists, cards, and actions. Start by creating a list for different stages of your project. For example, you can label lists as to do, in progress, and completed. Next, add cards to your to-do list for specific tasks you need to complete. Click on the Add a Card button at the bottom of your to-do list. Write a brief description of the task and click Add Card. Repeat this for each task, ensuring you capture everything crucial. If a task has multiple steps, click on the card to explore more options. Add a checklist within the card by selecting Checklist from the menu. This helps you break down tasks into more manageable steps. You can also add due dates to keep yourself accountable. Open the card, then click on Due Date to set a deadline. Consider inviting team members to collaborate with you. Click on Invite at the top of the board and enter their email addresses. This allows everyone to stay updated and contribute. Next, utilize labels to categorize tasks based on priority or type. Click on a card, then select labels to choose colors and names. You can also add attachments to reference documents or files. Open a card and look for the attachment option to upload items. Use the comments section within each card to communicate with team members. This keeps all related discussions in one place. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.